how to return AirPods to factory settings. In this case, they are connected to different devices. If your AirPods are connected to your iPhone, skip this part. Connect them to the iPhone. Press the button on back of the case and continue to hold. You should get notification. This AirPods are paired with different Apple ID, but continue to setting them up. Now go to Setting on your iPhone. Then go to AirPods menu. Scroll to the bottom. Press Forget Device. Put the AirPods in their case, close the lid, then wait 30 seconds. Open the lid, then press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds. Continue to hold button until the status light flashes amber. Keep holding until changes back to white. Now, you can release the button. If you have followed all the steps correctly, a pop-up window like this should appear. Press connect and follow setup process. I hope the video was helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.